We're proud to announce the successful automation of Maersk Belcon's state-of-the-art Steri facility. 190 CO2-cooled sterilization tunnels now unified under one advanced control system. This achievement, delivered by H-Control Solutions, marks a new era for automation. We've successfully unified 190 CO2-cooled sterilization tunnels under one control system, revolutionizing how industrial sterilization is managed. Our custom automation solution enables precise protocol selection for every commodity run, ensuring each product follows its ideal sterilization curve for maximum safety and quality. With one-click recipe management, you're guaranteed compliance and consistent product quality, every time. Real-time data logging and instant alarm notifications, delivered via email and telegram, mean you never miss a critical event, mean you're always in the loop. And with advanced remote troubleshooting, your engineers can monitor and resolve issues from anywhere in the world. A huge thank you to the Maersk Belcon team for their collaboration, and to our H-Control Solutions engineers for their dedication to precision, safety, and innovation. This represents H-Control Solutions' commitment to precision, safety, and innovation. Here's to safer, smarter, and more efficient sterilization processes. Innovation, safety, and precision delivered.